here we go, guys. This is one of 3 Barbies we're giving away over the next several months. If you're the lucky winner, you'll win this today. If you haven't won it or haven't got on our mailing list to win one, go to lillysgarage.com, sign up for the newsletter, and you'll be entered into the drawing to win one next month. Here we go.
All right, I'll let you have the honors. Just push that button and and we'll spin it away. Here we go. And
here we go, here we go.
oh.
For this month, number 246 is the winner.
All right, let's see who it is. 246.
Customer. I known her for a long time. Great person.
Yay, congratulations.
Congratulations.
You'll find out on your email, so check it out.
Hey, where'd the car go?
What happened?
Where'd it go? Congratulations to the winner of this Barbie. Check your email to see if it's you who's won. If you decide you don't want the car, you can always exchange it for an oil change and we'll put the car back in the pool for the next drawing. So if you didn't win this one, don't worry, you're still signed up for next month. And if you're not signed up, go to lillysgarage.com, sign up for our newsletter, and win some of these fabulous prizes or discounts for services in store. I'm Jeff at lillysgarage.com at Castro Valley Tire Pros.